Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, we are going to talk about a few things that I got recently from Ajio and Meesho. So yeah, and by recently I mean I think पिछले 2-3 महीनों में like बिल्कुल अभी 2 दिन में नहीं करके बैठी मैं 2-3 महीनों से कर रही थी, right? So we are going to talk about that, right? And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. So we will start off with let's start off with Ajio first because I think Ajio के मेरे पास 4 products हैं, right? Okay, so let me tell you this one thing. And okay, right now it's Saturday, 1st April, right? And hopefully fingers crossed, मैं 8th April को एक ट्रिप पे जा रही हूँ, ऑफिस के ट्रिप पे. Hopefully, I really hope I do. I really hope मैं चली जाऊँ because my luck with trips is really poor, pathetic, bad. Okay, so मैंने कुछ सामान ऐसे लिया था जो मैंने उस ट्रिप के पर्पस से लिया था. So we are going to talk about that, right? And then I will talk about a few things that I just bought randomly for like daily routine, office wear and all of that. It's mostly clothes, related to clothes and all of that. So yeah, okay. So let's start off with the known clothing item first, and that is this. This is from Ted Smith London, and this is their sunglasses. And now I have a Ted Smith binoculars. I was about to say binoculars. Now I previously had one of these glasses from Ted Smith, and that was premium quality. Like that was really nice and I really loved them. So I got these. Okay, so this is this, and I don't remember their name, whatever their name is. I don't remember. It is the frameless glass or something like that. I mean, can you see? It's like this. You can see my ring light. Yeah, and this is this, and let me wear these, and this is how it looks. Ooh, I think, listen, I really like this almost 90 का style, and my lashes, मेरी lashes फंस रही हैं इसके अंदर. Okay, I really like this 90s का style, you know, that diva-ish thing. And of course I got this for the trip. Yeah, what else? जो मेरे पास पिछले वाले थे ना, वो blue color के थे, and मेरी foundation लग गई इसके ऊपर. वो blue color के थे, and I really liked them, but वो बहुत premium quality के थे. But for some reason, this is a little flimsy. Like I don't like this. This is not the best that I expect from Ted Smith. And I think मैंने मतलब उस वाले पेयर से मैंने ये अंदाज़ा लगाया था that this is a good company with good stuff, but this isn't the best they can offer. So yeah, I'm a little unhappy about it. Like I'm not the happiest person, but then we have a case, and उस वाले का case भी बड़ा था, इसका case भी छोटा है. So yeah, that is that. So yeah. So the second thing that I got is this from Max, and ये अभी मुझे कल ही मिला है ना, तो अभी ये इसी के अंदर है. So this is the t-shirt, and this is a blue color t-shirt. I love blue color, and this is the t-shirt that I got. So this is a very simple, very basic t-shirt which says fight like a girl. Okay, the true feminist that I am, I got this t-shirt. Now honestly, this is the first time I'm actually getting Max, and this is in the size L, and it costed 300 rupees. And okay, wait one second, these sunglasses, these costed me around, it was like somewhere between 450 to 500, like 500 से कम में था, touching 500 I would say. So that is that. So this was only 299 rupees, but for that price point, I mean obviously 299 is still very affordable, but this isn't the quality I was expecting. मुझे definitely ऐसा लगता है कि ये कपड़ा बहुत पतला है, बहुत like I don't like this cloth at all. ये fabric मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. Although it's very lightweight, very breathable, but this is not what I was expecting in 299. Now listen to me. I have bought many t-shirts पहले भी इस price range में from, if I'm not wrong, it has to be either Dressberry or Roadster or I don't know, Tokyo Toki, something like Myntra के किसी brand से ही, one of these brands that is available on Myntra, and they were good quality t-shirts with good fabric and everything great about them. But this from Max was not expected. Like I definitely did not expect कि मुझे इतना flimsy सा कुछ मिलेगा. And looking at this, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मैं इसको 3-4 बार धोऊंगी तो उसके बाद ये पोंछे बनने वाली हालत में आ जाएगा. So yeah, I'm not happy about this. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this. Then we have this is a jeans and I'm in size 30, so this is like a, what do we call it, slim fit jeans. Okay, this is slim fit jeans, and this jeans is a very basic pair of jeans. I really like wearing such jeans, you know, it just looks very sexy, and that is what I usually want to go for all the time. Okay, and yeah, this fits really nice. मैंने ये पहन के देखी थी और मुझे actually बहुत अच्छी लगी. It fits like a glove and it is really comfortable to wear, like फसी फसी नहीं है, and everything about this is great, you know. मेरे पास इस तरह की एक similar jeans पहले भी थी, and वो इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा thick fabric था, like उसका denim थोड़ा ज़्यादा thick था, but you know what, उस jeans में front pocket ही नहीं थी, which is like bonkers. Like why do you make a jeans without pockets? उसमें pocket नहीं थी, and that is why I didn't love it enough. But then I have this, and it has all the pockets, like 4 की 4, so this is great. Okay, I have this. So this from my end is a big thumbs up. You can definitely give it a try. And इसी jeans के साथ मैंने actually एक trouser भी लिया था black color का. So this is like almost parallel. Yeah, you know, this is not like a slim fit or anything. You can see इसका इसका पैर. It's like, how should I say this? Like, what do they call it? It is a flare trouser, sort of like a flare trouser. Okay, straight fit. So this is a straight fit trouser, and this is not in denim fabric. This is some weird synthetic fabric. This is from the brand Coty, and Coty, this is available on Meesho, this is available on Ajio, this is available on many places. I've seen the same thing at many places, and I definitely feel ये थोड़ा high-waisted है. So what really happens is, if you have a tummy, this will give you that bulge of the tummy. Okay, so if you are wearing something which is long enough, तो वो cover हो जाएगा, but if you are wearing something crop, वो tummy दिखेगा, right? So that is one thing about these pants that I'm really not a fan of, but other than that I like them. They are good, they are comfortable, but मुझे पता नहीं, I'm not sure if this is like a fabric you would want to wear summer में बाहर. That is another thing, ठीक है ना? Because मेरी job office वाली है, AC वाली है, I'll be fine with it, but outside, in outdoors, you got to think about it. Okay, so that is that. Again, I like this trouser, and I actually got it for only 380 rupees. The price was absolutely amazing, so I think in that price point I don't really hate it. Yeah, you can give it a try. So these are the 4 things that I got from Ajio. Right now, quickly let's jump in to Meesho. This is, ये उल्टा है, wait. So this is actually a crop top, and मेरे पास actually इस तरह के already 1 या 2 t-shirts पहले भी हैं, and this is that, you know, lettuce trim वाली crop top in blue color, and as I told you, I love blue color, so this is really cute. मैंने basically ये crop top इसलिए मंगवाई थी, मुझे एक blue shirt के साथ पहननी थी. I had this blue very nice check shirt, and I had to pair it with a crop top, and that is why I got this. And this is really nice, again very good thick quality, and this is not very see through. Okay, मेरे पास सेम ऐसी एक दूसरी भी थी, पर वो बहुत see through थी, तो ये उससे ज़्यादा thicker है, and I think ये 200 या 300 रुपए तक की ही थी, so it was very cost effective as well. So you can definitely give this a try if you want to, and इसमें बहुत सारे colors available थे. Also इसके सारे link वगैरह I will put in the description box for you to check out, so you can definitely give this a try. Right, and the next thing that I got from Meesho was this. So this again is a top, and this is this top. This is in mustard color. Right, so this is a good color, and मेरी मम्मी मुझे कहती है Thursday को येलो पहनने के लिए, so I got it for that purpose, क्योंकि मुझे Thursday को येलो पहनना होता है. Right, and this has that puff sleeves, right, and it has that very cute sweetheart neckline and all of that. So this is how it looks. I will put picture over here. This is that, and this, I think it costed 298 rupees or something, like it was under 300 rupees, and I have it in the size L. Yeah. Yes, so मैंने ये पहले hot pink color में मंगवाया था नवंबर में, and I got it in size medium, and वो size मुझे नहीं आया था, मतलब वो फंस भी नहीं रहा था मुझको, and even if you look at this, आपको नहीं लगेगा कि मुझे ये आएगा, ठीक है? So this is something I would like to tell you कि for this particular top, size up, ठीक है. अगर आप मीडियम पहनते हो तो लार्ज पे जाओ, लार्ज पहनते हो तो एक्सेल पे जाओ, बिकॉज दिस इज एक्चुअली अ लिटिल स्मॉलर दैन इट शुड बी. ओके, सो मैंने वो वाला जो मीडियम वाला था अपनी सिस्टर को दे दिया था, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ अ लवली टॉप. लेट मी टेल यू, मैं डेफिनेटली इसका एक और कलर ट्राई करना चाहूँगी बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक द होल वाइब एंड द होल फिट ऑफ इट. एंड इसका सिंथेटिक मटेरियल है, सो दिस इज नॉट कॉटन, सो दैट इज दैट. इफ यू वांट अ ब्रीदेबल फैब्रिक, दिस इज नॉट इट. बट अगर आपको भी मेरी तरह एसी वाले ऑफिस में जाके बैठना है, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन. आई लाइक इट. इट्स अ गुड टॉप. इट लुक्स very smart, it looks very dashing, so you can give it a try. I gave you quite a few pair of jeans, a few tops, t-shirts, and then I gave you sunglasses, and I think it was a good haul. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.